Today's recipe is pumpkin cranberry muffins. Alright, we're going to mix our dry ingredients, which is our flour, our baking soda, baking powder, salt, some pumpkin pie spice, and some cinnamon. We'll whisk that all together. These muffins are really great for breakfast or a snack. Very fall flavors. In a separate bowl, we're going to do our wet ingredients. So we'll take our eggs and our sugar, our oil, orange juice. I used the juice of 1 orange, some pumpkin puree. Now remember to use pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. Pie filling has a whole bunch of sweeteners in it, and we don't need that in our recipe. And some vanilla. And the zest of the orange. Now we'll stir this all together. The pumpkin puree makes a really moist muffin. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. So just pour that on top. Scrape the bowl to get any leftover wet ingredients. And then we're going to stir this up. And we don't want to overmix our batter. So stir this until you see just a few flour streaks, because once we add the cranberries, that will all mix together. Now we'll add our cranberries. You can use fresh cranberries or frozen cranberries. I'm using frozen. I've added a little bit of flour to the frozen cranberries just so that they don't all sink to the bottom of the muffin. Fold this into our batter. And then we will place this into our greased muffin tin. This makes 12 large muffins. Once we put the batter in the tin, I like to add a few more cranberries to the top. So you can save some cranberries for this. If you don't want to, that's fine too. I'll just add a few cranberries. Then we'll place this in a 350-degree oven for around 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Enjoy! Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.